Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to translate the whole website into other language, because we're struggling about the language that we got from the website on the Safari. So the first thing we have to do is just go find or open the Safari and then open the website that is shown or displayed in another language. So you already got the article that displayed in Korean languages. You can see that the whole articles here is on Korean, and since I have less confident with my Korean language, so you can just translate it into English. So you just need to take a look on this side, this line. There will be an alphabet part here, so you just need to go click them, and there will be an option to translate the website, so you just need to go click it, and there will be an option about the language that you can choose here. So let's just choose this English, and you just need to wait until this article is perfectly translated into the English. Now you can enjoy reading this article in English. So basically that is the way how to translate the whole website from one language to another. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.